Ashtavakra. Ashtavakra was the son of Sujata, daughter of sage Udalaka, and Kagola, his disciple. Kagola was virtuous but not very knowledgeable. When Udalaka taught him, he made mistakes. The unborn Ashtavakra in his mother's womb would twist and turn or kick out because he was learning faster than his father. He got 8 twists in his body and was named Ashtavakra when he was born. Kagola had a debate with Vandi, the court scholar of Mithila, and lost. According to the custom of the time, he drowned himself. By the time Ashtavakra was 12, he was a tremendous scholar in the Vedas and Vedanta. He heard of a great sacrifice to be performed by Janak, the king of Mithila. Great scholars would be invited and debates would be held on various shastras and scriptures. Ashtavakra decided to go along with his uncle Shvetketu to attend the sacrifice and the debate. Paying father's debt. The king's entourage was clearing the king's path, but Ashtavakra refused to move. He said the king must make way for women, the blind, the deformed, those learned in Vedas, and those carrying loads. Impressed, the king let him pass. At the palace gate, Ashtavakra was stopped again. The guard said the debate was for Vedic scholars, not boys. Ashtavakra asked him not to judge people by age or appearance. The guard wondered how such a small fellow could be a Vedic scholar. Ashtavakra said that the size couldn't indicate a person's knowledge or worth. The king, reaching the palace gates, recognized Ashtavakra. He asked the boy, "Aren't you afraid of losing a debate with scholar Vandi and being thrown into the sea?" Ashtavakra told him that he would defeat the arrogant Vandi and would repay his father's debt. He proved to be right. Vandi lost to him and was drowned. Markandeya's stories. Sage Markandeya told Yudhishthira the importance of duty through the story of an ascetic Kaushika. Kaushika got angry easily. A crane's droppings fell on him while he was meditating under a tree. He looked up angrily and the bird died. Kaushika felt very bad at his own anger. He went to beg alms from a house one day, but the lady took time to care for her husband first. By the time she came to give alms to the ascetic, he was very angry. Asking him to control his anger, she said she wasn't a crane to be affected by it, but she was doing her duties for her husband. Learn to live dutifully from Dharmavyadha of Mithila, she advised. Kaushika was surprised to find that Dharmavyadha was a butcher. After he had finished working at the shop, Dharmavyadha took Kaushika home, where he saw him caring for his parents and family, and how happy they were. Satyavan and Savitri. Savitri was the beautiful daughter of a king. She went around the land to find a husband. In a forest, she fell in love with a handsome young man called Satyavan. Caring for his blind father and for his mother, he chopped wood and sold it. She married the young man, who it was predicted would die in a year. She cared for him lovingly. She went with him to forest where he cut wood and she made flower garlands. One day, while he rested under a tree, Yama, the god of death, came to take his soul. As he took Satyavan, Savitri followed him, pleading for the return of her husband. Finally, he told her to ask for some other boon. Savitri asked for the boon of sons. That was granted by Yama. Then Yama knew he had to return Satyavan to her if she had to have sons. So he gave him back his life.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.